Alrighty. Good afternoon. How's it going? What did we get here? Let's see. I mean, just kind of moving higher here, huh? Just kind of moving higher. All right, let me try to get these charts put where they're supposed to go. I left for a little while here and everything kind of started doing its own thing. Stuff's in the wrong spots and all that good stuff. Let's get it fixed up. Let's get it fixed up. We'll check out Mancini's newsletter, kind of find out what we're expecting from that. What do we expect from the Mancini newsletter? We'll see. Won't be on quite as long tonight. I want to get some sleep. I'm going to bed a little bit, just a tick later than I'm comfortable with having to get up and take the kids to school. So I'm just a little bit on the tired side during the day, and also right now from doing these later streams, but we'll give it all we have until we need to get off here. We are going to be changing it up tonight. I'm going to be doing a little more of range trading. And I think I'm going to switch down to micros. This way we don't blow a eval account, kind of. If we're wrong. I don't mind being wrong and take some losses, but I don't really want to be coming on here blowing accounts every single night. So this way, if we're wrong for the large part, we don't lose very much. And of course, that does mean that, we don't make very much either. But that's okay. All right. First things first. First things first is we need an account to trade. So we're going to pick up the APEX 25K. We had a pretty good end of the day trade on our funded account here. What up, stock? We had a pretty solid trade at the end of the day. Made an additional $280 on the account. Ooh, look at that. On our Tradeify account, as you can see, we're still in drawdown. However, we're only down $500. We were down 1,000 going into today, so we got it back to just 1,000, or back to 500. So we had a nice $500 day on this account. Not from initial balance plays, which is what this account's supposed to be for. No, I'm on Quantire stock. It's just that one account. The only reason I have that one up is because I was going to show you guys the trade that I took in today. What in the world is happening here? I mean, what is going on? Man, it's a 30-point candle. What is going on there? Anybody know? I mean, it's not top of the hour. It's not anything that I can see. So anyways, you can see the balance here, 49,504. So yeah. Pretty happy with that. Where's my chart? I don't see my chart. Where'd the chart go? I mean, I don't know where that tab went. I don't know where my charts went, guys. It's hiding somewhere. Where in the heck did the chart go? Did it accidentally get stuck on one of these other ones? What up, Blazo? Blazo, I need to get in touch with you, man. Got some stuff I need to message you there. I don't know where this chart went. Where's this one? All right, I'm confused. ES tapped the 91 there on that push up. I have no idea where my chart is, guys. I mean, like, where is my chart? I know it's hiding somewhere. It's so weird I can't find the chart. You might say just open another one, like, yeah, but then I have to redo everything. Just a little bit on the annoying side. What? Oh my goodness. Where did that one go? Did I accidentally close it? That's probably what I did to the one earlier. I tried to minimize it and I probably closed it. All right. Let's get this thing open. Take care of the housekeeping chores. I don't even know if VWAP really even needs to be on here. It's probably not going to be right. We need... Do we need any indicators? I don't know, Blazo. I can't find my chart, so... I don't know where it went. I might have accidentally exited out of it. For all I know, I don't really know. I don't know what I did. I mean, it's not that big a deal to do this, but... just make this stuff a little bit bigger. There we go. And then price. Let's fix the price scale. May as well while we're in here. We'll go with the black, on the black, on the black. There we go. All right, close enough. Cam looks fuzzy. Yeah, Blazo, it's, I don't know why it does that. What up, Oracle? I have no idea why it does that. It's funny because the cam is not it's not fuzzy at all, and I don't know how to fix it. Like, you can see there's the cam. No, the cam is great. It's not the camera. You see how clear it looks here. So it's just something that's going on when I put it on the background. When I eliminate the background there, for some reason, it does that. All right, let's read the newsletter here to kind of see what we get. He's holding a 10% runner still from Tuesday from the 67 failed breakdown. Bull case tomorrow. I want to talk about bull case. Ollie is only talking short terms, very similar to what he said yesterday. I mean, it looks a lot like what he said yesterday, really. It's generally still 57.90 to 40 to 42. There are numerous pivots in this zone. 70 to 72 being key. It's worth noting that because of how long we have been in this base, there are no longer any fresh levels, nor high quality levels, and when we need a break of this range to get those. This means all levels I will mention here are low quality, can easily fail without reason or reaction. I also want to note that we only have had 2 proper red days since the September lows. ES is overdue for an open to close red day. It's a matter of when now, not if. We will react accordingly when it occurs, but understand when this does happen, all supports will fail. 70 to 72 has been extremely well tested. We had 9 tests and our failed breakdowns of it early this week, and another 2 today. I can no longer trade this level, and it's done its job giving multiple entries over the past few days. The only way I trade is if we got a big failed breakdown, which would probably look like flushing today's lows down to 63 and then recovering this afternoon's lows. Okay. Interesting. You know, just to have something to do, blazing. Just to have something to do. We probably won't be on that long tonight. Again, I'm kind of tired. Kinda tired. And we're going to be on micros as well. If I didn't say that, I think I did. We're on the 15-minute chart here. I mean, really, we got buy side at 339. At 339. 339. Maybe we could reach up into the 414s. Got relative equal lows down here on the hourly at the way down here. 952. At this point, those seem probably out of reach. What up, Lynn? Your payouts got approved today, afternoon, 17K. Let's go. Which prop firm was that on, Stock Tiger? Did we never run? I don't think we ran these equal lows. Let me get back to the 1 minute. I'm going to mark out this 15-minute gap just for reference here. But we had triple equal lows this afternoon going into the close, and we kind of bulled up away from them. So I think that might be my target. Let's go back to the 1 minute. I don't know that we get those because we might be so far away from them at this point, but right down here, you saw these wicks down here? I mean, this area here, where's it at? I know there was triple equal lows here somewhere. Oh my goodness, am I missing them? Where are they at? Were they never triple equal lows? I swear there was triple equal lows down there earlier. APEX 17K approved today and 8K cash. Let's go. Pretty fast. They sent me another notification transfer to my bank. Yeah, so it'll probably be tonight or tomorrow. Anybody else? Am I crazy? I swore there was triple equal lows here. Were these never equal? And I just thought they were. Because I was looking for a run through the triple equal lows before we moved up to the highs at close. But now I don't see triple equal lows. 174. So that's what I was thinking, but I don't see them. Where are they at? Like, that's just two. That's just equal lows. I don't know. That's weird. Let me refresh. I know they were there. Where did they go? Maybe they never were. Oh, you know what, guys? I'm an idiot. I'm on micros. I'm on the micros, so of course they're not going to show up. Of course they're not going to show up, dummy. I thought I was losing my mind for a second. All right, here they are. So right there. 232. 232. That's where they are. 3 touches. Part of the problem is I'm looking in the wrong area, I guess. They're up here. This micro chart looks a lot different than the other one. Wait, that can't be it. I mean, there are triple equal lows from there, but that still can't be it. Am I losing my mind? What am I doing here? No, they are at 174. You are right. 174. All right, so right there. I guess that is kind of a ways away now. Well, we do also have them at 232, but the ones at 174 look better, but they're probably too far away for now to be in play, I guess. Yeah, I see it, JM. I just was missing them. I'm an idiot. We were just missing them. So still pushing higher here. I'm going to kind of play on the range here. Like I said, that's going to kind of be my idea during this session here. Kind of range plays. Got a pivot point up there, 287. Why is it pushing higher? I don't know. I'm going to do a little range play here. I'm going to take a short right here, 1 micro. And we're going to target the low of this candle. Look for a little base hit, little 8 points, 10-point play. Actually, you know what? We're going to target bottom of the range. And I think I'm actually going to add one here. And then we can just put our stop, you know. It doesn't have to be a huge stop. It can literally be about 8 or 10 points here. And just kind of got the protection of the pivot here. ES is pushing up to the 91, so we'll give it about 10 points. Let's see the ES hold below the 91. And if we lose, we're not really risking very much money here. 2 micros. 10, 11 points. You're looking at like 40 bucks. Probably needs to go a little higher, I would imagine. Let's put it just above the whole number here. If the ES holds below the 90, then I feel okay. 91 area. If it pops the 90, then we just get out. And we'll see if we get a little elevator down here. Something like that. So I'm going to kind of be taking like range plays mostly tonight. Because, you know, seems to be better at this time than trying to take breakouts. Over at least the last few days of me trading this time, seems range plays seem to be the way to go. Because normally during New York, I trade inversions. And inversions are kind of like breakout plays, right? You're not really getting that during this time of night. So just think we get a little bit of a pullback. Obviously, this looks very bullish, but we're not looking for anything crazy. Yuck. The reason is just to, you know, make some content. So yes, it's testing the 91 there. I want to see a little rejection off that area. It doesn't look like we're getting it. It might get stopped out here. All right, there we go. Pulling back off the 91. But no real reason, just other than not really. I don't really do a whole lot in the evenings other than watch TV. So I was like, you know, may as well. What up, Zach T in the house? Little flash of sellers coming in here. Let's see if they can do us some justice. Anybody know where the VWAP is? I have no idea. Can somebody help me with the VWAP? Where's it at? Little double top. Playing off this little double top action over here. See if we get a little push down. 258. Perfect. We'll just throw a little line down in that area. Maybe we get stopped out here. Oh, guys, oh my God. I'm over here on my PA account taking trades. Fucking, what am I doing? I'm over here on the PA account taking trades. I thought I was on an eval. I just noticed I'm on the PA. All right, it's just micros, so I guess we'll leave it on. But that's a oops. Oh, let's see. You're going long, looking for the moon shot. You don't even have a stop. $12 points. That's like 25. What is that? $25, $50. I'm just going to leave it there. I didn't realize I was on my PA account there. I thought we were on an eval. Oops. Oopsies. See, I told you I'm a little slow. Let's go. Stock Tiger with the $20 donate, super chat, whatever it's called. You the man, Stock Tiger. You the man. You the man. mean, it feels like it might roll over here. Feels like it. Maxie, man, chill out. He hates when I shut the door. Let's go, stock. Let's get it going. Appreciate you. Can we catch a little elevator down here? So far, not. It's weird. All right, well, it's not really showing a willingness to go down. It's looking a little rolly, but not very much. So might lose $50 on the PA here. Thank you, Stock Tiger. Appreciate you. And ES finding above the 91 here is not a good look for this trade. What up, Gus? What's the prediction, Gus? What we got? All right, stopped out there. Let's close these out and switch over to the right flipping account. I can't believe I did that. Can't believe I did that. Guys, this thing is just long and strong. This might be one of those nights where you just get long. Put your take profit up there wherever you think it's going to go. And just ride the storm. Ride the wave. Ride the wave. This is what we'll do. I mean, ES above 91 here. Next level up, 801. So we're going to 334. Yeah, I got that marked out, that area. So you'll throw the fib at it. I mean, we're just moving up, looks like. But, man, it's really what it looks like. We'll just target higher. We'll see what happens. Yeah, you're not wrong. The first trend action. If the ES can hold above 91 here, it'll be all right. $330 is not that far up there, though. 33 points. Not really that far up there. And the nice thing is, we're just on micros here, so very little risk. Probably can just put the stop back. I actually don't like it being there, but somewhere down there. $500. Let's go, Stock Tiger. Are you streaming, Stock Tiger? Are you on? I jumped on. I didn't look to see if anybody was on. Okay, I didn't see you. I was going to say, I didn't see you on there. Want to see a quick push into the 310, 315 area there. ES pushing the 93s. It's going okay, clarity. Well, Stock Tiger, you got to be consistent. You just got to be consistent. That's all. Get on there and talk. I don't think you suck at it. I've seen worse. Trust me. We've seen worse. I don't think I'm going to be completely unreasonable tonight. I think I'm going to just take one of these off at 315. 15 points. And we'll target the higher one for 30 points. Yeah, Aaron, it is pushing up here pretty wildly. I mean, that boner candle after the close was pretty interesting, right? I was sitting there at the close. I was long 2 minis, and I took it off here at the triple equal highs here at the 200 level on that spike there at close. We pulled back for 1 minute, and then that next minute, pew, boner candle. Boner candle. To the moon, to the moon. I don't know, Jack. We're here. We're here. Oh, is some earnings? NVIDIA up with it? Oh, did it, Zach? I didn't even know. I had no idea that was a thing this afternoon. Yeah, we here. That's right. What up, Pine Tree? Yeah, we're up 100 points already here from the close at 4. If we're counting the 4 o'clock close. I mean, pretty much a straight grind up, but not really any pullback, huh? Pretty much. Yeah, Jack, I didn't mind the price action this morning. I got on at like 345-ish, and I noticed that it was not great. Oh, no, this is an eval Stock Tiger. I took that first trade on an accident. On an accident. Didn't mean to. Fast Track said, good news, traders. Rhythmic was able to run our reports again, and the dashboard is now reflecting the correct data. P&L may not fully be settled yet, so please give it some time to fully reflect the correct balances. If your dashboard is still showing the wrong amounts, please reach out to support. There you go. Oh, no, it didn't pay off, Stock Tiger. We lost $50 on that one. That was the short. Lost, was it 50? I don't even know. What did I risk on that one? $46. Not a big deal. We could look for 2 points to get the 46 back, or we could just not worry about it. Let's see. What do we need? Like 3 points? Like, we'll go for 20 ticks. My dog, he hates that I shut the door. Diddy party tonight at your house. When you wake up in the morning, your evals will be passed. Classic. Classic. ES making new highs here. Today you passed 2 Apex 50Ks and blew 1 eval. Oh, nice. See if we can rerun the highs here. I want to see a repop above the swing. That's what I want to see. Come on, buyers. Where you at? Push it through. Not really trying to... They're trying, but they're not showing up yet. Trying to get my 50 bucks back over here. Come on. I need 307.25. Come on. Go. Go. Or do I just take it at... I'm just going to take it at the high. 306.25. If we get 306.25, we should be back to break even on that account at least. See if we can get a pop. Rip it. That's not the right way. Rip it up. Come on, you can do it. And stops at break even already, so it stopped out. You're kicking yourself. You held 8:40 a.m. till after hours and made $300. Yeah, it happens. 3K. Oh, nice job, Captain. Went down 2,200. I don't know. I think this thing goes, but... kind of holding up here, the 300 level. We get a pop right through the 310s here would be nice. Can we do it? Just a little burst right through the 310s. What do we got there? Close down 350. All right. So we got it back already. No, we're up 350 close. So we're already back to break even on that account. All right. So there we go. All right, we're break even. Not going to worry about any more on that. What is up, Andy? Yeah, I was just trying to get back to break even on my funded account there. Going to 330, I think so. Got my 50 bucks back though. That's what I was happy about. I want to see a burst into 315, obviously, from my first target. And then we'll see what happens from there. ES still just grinding higher. Next level up on the ES, 98.75. Yeah, tough to know though, Gus, right? Sometimes. Tough to know. I'm glad I switched over to micros for this evening session. It takes... Not that I cared about failing an eval, but because I don't. But, you know, probably smarter option, right? Probably a lot smarter to just do it that way. If you guys did not know, you still get the 55% off of Fast Track Trader. Let me go ahead and... Let me get my link up there. If you guys want to buy an account, please use my link. In order to get the 55% off, you're going to have to not use my code and actually use the preset codes. But click on my link, please. Because without using my link, I don't get credit for it, and that's a bummer. It's going to be a blast knocking these levels back down. It might be. Yeah. You got out when you met your daily target. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, though. So there's the fast track link. Oh. Again, the 25K rally account is still $80. Using the link there. 25K. Direct to funded. Apex is still 80% off 1 day to pass. Bulenox 90% off. And Tradeify is 55% off their growth account. It's only $81 all in. No activation fee. And as you guys know, my funded futures. $48 if you're a new customer, all in for the starter 50K account. $76 if you're not a new customer, all in. Those are the deals going on right now. Take Profit Trader as well. Has a good deal. $85 for the 50K eval. Do you guys want to do a giveaway tonight? Where are we at on subs? Let me see where we're at. Tradeify, $81 for the growth account, Emmanuel. So their growth account, I'm going to make a video on this tonight or tomorrow. What up, Trades by Slate? But their growth account is pretty interesting. Let me block my trade there. But it's this one. It's $81. You got 3,000 profit target, 5 minis, 1250 soft breach daily loss limit, $2,000 end of day drawdown, 1 day to pass, no activation fee. So it's $81 all in using the coupon code MM. And they also have 40% off of the direct to funded. They're a little bit pricey, but you do get to use it through Tradeify or through Tradeivate or Ninja. Tradeivate or Ninja. 53. My funded futures is definitely the best, Foley, especially if you have never had an account through my funded futures. You get it for $48 all in. Like, that's cheap. That's cheap. Your first account. Trading the Asia session is way better at this point. New York's way too choppy. I mean, there's something to be said about that, but I couldn't do it. I don't mind trading it on an eval. I don't think I could take it on a funded. I mean, I'm sure if I wanted to, I could figure out a way to tackle it. But I don't, know of one right now. Yeah, Gus. I mean, dude, like, basically, you're using a prop firm's money to be able to trade, giving you extra leverage. For an example, $81 or $80 through Fast Track, right? You get a direct to funded 25K account. You don't have to pass an eval. You make $1,300, $1,250 without going into drawdown, $1,250. Then you can take that full amount out and just blow the account and buy another one. you're only risking $80. So pretty nice. Certainly has its benefits. It also does have, you know, has a little bit of draw. It does have some of the drawbacks, but oh yeah. Trading, yes, exactly. So I'm going to go over with you guys in just a minute what we're looking like for payouts for the end of the month. Like what could we end up at? Kind of minimums if we do well. Whew. Let's see. Do I have any fast track accounts, Pauline? Yes, Pauline, I have lots. We have lots, Pauline. We have lots of fast tracks. 20. Well, actually, I have 23, but 3 of them I already requested payouts on. And, yeah. So I'm waiting on those payouts to kind of get processed for them to be able to allow me to trade the other ones. You can make 100K paper trading? Maybe. Which one's 85? JD, I don't know. Well, $80 is the directed funded fast track account. So that's no evals, directed funded. Take profit trader's 85, but you got an activation fee. You got to pass an eval. So lost huge today. Finally added max loss limit. Was 173 away with 4 days to go and lost 504 today. Well, Thomas, 504 is not a huge. I mean, it's not a huge loss, man. You can make that back. So, yeah, I tend to agree, Captain Price, to a certain degree. I think that you can make it work. The cost for the 25K is going to be $80-ish. So what you're going to want to do is click the link at the top of the chat for Fast Track Trading. I'll show you exactly how to purchase. Then you're going to go to plans. Click the link, go to plans, buy now. And you're going to want to just go whatever. How many ever you want to buy, update the cart. You will have to use Fast Track's code, but that's why it's important to use my link so I get credit for it. FTT_45, apply coupon. You'll see that come off. Then we're going to stack on the code apology_tour. That's the second code. Apply coupon. And it's going to remove $17 more, making your total cost $80.55. So. Oh. Yeah, exactly. It is a fun code. That's how you do it. Get it for $80. It's a pretty good deal. The second tour apology. I mean, a better code would have been, I'ma act right. Oh. I'ma act right. Alrighty. Let's go. Boner candle incoming. Still didn't quite get me there. So for this month, we're at $8,250. Let's kind of go over with you guys like I best behave. Yeah. I need a, I don't know what you call it. So looking at my fast track accounts here, I'm going to go over, we have 8 accounts that are of interest of the 17 that we're currently trading, right? How do you pay out requests for fast track? Sure, Zach. You're going to want to send an email. Here, I'll put this. Oops. So you're going to send an email to payouts at, let me give you the exact email. I'll tell you exactly how to do it. I'll tell you what mine looked like. So you're going to send an email, and it's going to be addressed to payouts at fasttracktrading.net. You're going to put the account number. For each account. Oof, almost got me there. You're going to put the account number for each account that you're requesting payout. So, for example, like FTT-rally-38374. And then you're going to say, I'm requesting $12.50 from this account. And then you're going to attach the consistency worksheet. And you're going to put your, if you have a Wise account, you'll put your Wise email. If you don't have a Wise account, just put your bank routing number, account number. You need to attach your ID, some sort of power bill or something with your address on it. It could be a bank statement. It could be several things. Some sort of ID or something like that. Attach that to the email. And then the consistency worksheet, and that's really it. Shoot that off to them, and you're good. Like, that's what my consistency sheet looked like on the last one. I don't know why that says not eligible, though. Why did that say that? That's interesting. Why are these numbers over? Oh, it's saying, I don't know. Maybe, am I gonna, I didn't even pay any attention to this when I sent this. I think this might be messed up because of those missing days. I'll have to, that's weird. I guess maybe I should have looked at that before I submitted it, huh? Let me see what the other one looks like. Yeah, it's the same way. It says not eligible, but I don't know. Hopefully that's not an issue. Because obviously I made more than $880 on those accounts. Where do you get the form? It's in their Discord under so if you go to their Discord, you can go to the main chat. Pinned in the main chat here. Just scroll down until you find it. I hope they don't give me an issue with those consistency worksheets there. I didn't even notice that it said that my that I was over, because I know I'm not over. I think it's because we're missing days or something, and I just took that off the dashboard. Well, where the heck is it at? I don't know. It's in there somewhere, but what I can do here is just drop it in the chat for you if you want to just download it and save it. Oh, yeah, I don't know, Rich. I guess we'll find out. I just requested mine last Thursday, so I guess I need to. I don't know what's the deal is with that consistency there, though. I'm going to need to figure out what's going on with that. It's showing that my total profit is. I'm thinking because I traded more than 10 days. That's why it looks like that, but hopefully, no. I mean, if they deny my request for that, I'm going to be a little bit annoyed. So, but I never. I mean, like I said, I'm going to look at it again. But I never went over the consistency. I mean, I never made more than 250 in a day, but it shows my profit only 880, and obviously. That's not the balances. The balance is 1,250. So hopefully they can use some common sense there. I just did the most recent 10 trading days, because obviously before this there was some losing days, and that's why these 10 days don't show more than $1,250. Hopefully they got some common sense there on that, but yeah, I guess we'll see. Because obviously I wouldn't be requesting a payout for if my balance was less than 1,250, right? Hopefully they got some common sense. All right, we're targeting the 333 area there. $1,250, Pauline. You make it to 1,250, you can take out the entire 1,250 without going over 20% consistency rule if you're looking for minimums, which is what I did. All right, so I was going to kind of go over with you guys where my fast track accounts are currently at. So as you can see, I'm $35 away on this account. So I basically essentially have like 4 accounts that are one trade, what I consider one trade away, which is less than $250. And then I have 4 accounts that are, those 2 have already been requested. Then I have 4 accounts which are 2 trades away. So 8 accounts that theoretically we could get to payout by... That one's already at payout status there. That we could get to payout by the end of the month, right? Possibly 8 accounts. I mean, we maybe if we have 3 winning days in a row, then it might be like 10 or 12 accounts. But even at 8 accounts, if we can get 8 of these accounts to pay out by the end of the month, that's another $10,000, and that would put us at $18,500 on the month in payouts. So that's kind of like best case scenario. I think worst case scenario, we get only 4 to pay out, which is still another $5,000, which puts us at 13,000. So either way, going to be a nice solid month, right? Nice solid month, either way you look at it. Yeah, Captain Price. Yeah, that'd be a pretty good month. How many do they allow? They allow 20. Yeah, if we could get 8, I would be ecstatic if we get 8. That's going to put us at $18,500. And then, of course, you add the affiliates to that when I'm looking at my total revenue. And it will be north of 30K right there. It'll be over 30K for the month. So, worst case scenario, we probably end up at like 24, maybe 25 grand. Best case scenario, we probably end up at 30. So, which will be nice. Room, I got a lot of kids. I got a lot of expenses. I got a lot of kids. I send you what I can. I send you what I can. Anyways, do you guys, let's see, we're at 5665 subscribers. I was thinking of doing a giveaway. Yeah, minus, I'm not sure if it does. I heard that it does, but I don't know. Like, I've heard Jay say that, but I don't know. Room Beats adopt you. Yeah. Yeah, Zach, you have to fill it in manually. It's weird how that account performance sheet works. I hope that they're not idiots and be like, oh, you haven't hit the profit target yet. Like, okay, dumbass, how am I requesting the payout if I haven't hit the profit target yet? Like, I didn't even think about that when I set the worksheet. I just knew I made less than 250 per day on each trade, and that should be good enough. So, yeah, I'm not going to get 20 accounts again. What up, Donovan? I'm not going to get 20 accounts again from them. Nothing to do with them specifically. It's just I want to stick to about 5 at a time. Because the copy trader, you know, when you got 20, 25 accounts on the copy trader, it gets a little too difficult to, you know, you're going to have some issues. So I would like to keep it at about 5 per prop firm. You know, 5 take profit trader, 3 my funded futures, 5 Apex, 5 fast track. You know, Tradeify I have to trade on Tradeivate, and then maybe 4 or 5 Bulenox, and then I can split them into 2 different copiers and find 2 trades. So, what up, Gus? It's kids. Hola. But anyways, that being said, do you guys want to do a giveaway tonight? I was thinking of giving away a Take Profit Trader 150K evaluation for free. What do you think? That's what I think, Rich. Good enough to make enough money. The Gus Bus bench warmers. All right. We'll do a little giveaway. We'll do a little pizza. All right. Little Caesars gift card, $5. Oh. Yeah, Take Profit Trader gave me a 150K account. And whenever they give those to me, I try to pass those on to you guys. Chris, you can copy as many as you want, but like the problem is once it you know, once you get over like around 12 or 13 on there, it makes it very difficult on the copier. Breezy said he's all about the pizza. Oh, you tried? What? Kellyanne's code, it does, but mine doesn't? What? That's kind of BS. That's BS. I mean, is there something I have to do? I don't know. On my funded futures, let me see. Yeah, pizza sounds pretty good. I don't know. It says I don't know why it wouldn't work. I have no idea. Who knows? I don't know. You know, it's probably because I don't, no, we're not going to say that. I don't kiss their, you know, behind maybe? I don't know. I don't know that she does either. I'm just saying. I don't know that she does either. Oh. Well, thanks for trying, I guess. Thanks for trying. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, you do have to be subscribed. So press the subscribe button. Exclamation point cash in the chat for 150K. Take profit trader account. Free 150K. I don't know if Andy's here. Andy, how did you do? I think Andy won the last 150K. Breezy, I think it's going up. Butterrock Yilmaz, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. We're currently long. We're long 1 micro. We've already taken 1 micro off, so. Get in on the giveaway. Get in on the giveaway. Let's go. Yeah, I'm long right now. We're looking. We already took 1 off at 15 points, so. It's been 3 days since you purchased your account. You haven't received it yet. Donovan, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know, man. I receive mine within a few hours, typically. We're at the fake VWAP. We are indeed. Burak, what was my thesis? We were going up. ES made it above 91. Accepted that area above 91. And so I assume that we're going for buy side at 333. Now, does that mean that we can't pull back before going there? No, it doesn't mean that. But we'll see. Ridwan Felix, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Bear Apology Tours. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you there, Donovan. I have no idea. I wish I had more of an answer for you, but I just don't. Unlike some other YouTubers, I don't have, connections or people I can call or anything like that. I'm just like you. Rich, no, I use Wise and I pay with my checking account through ACH. Yeah, a little earlier tonight, Bob. I'm not going to stay on as late because I'm already tired. Very, very tired. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm feeling really sluggish right now. So. Very, very tired. So that's why we're on micros tonight. Decided to reduce the risk. Switch down to micros. Stop blowing these evals during the slow hours. Yeah, Cole, I think the payout times, mine have been 7, 8, and 11 days respectively. I did request my last payout last Thursday, so we're currently sitting at 6 days. And I'll let you guys know how long that takes. Last I heard, they were processing September the 10th payouts. That was yesterday, or maybe earlier today. And mine was requested on the 18th, so I guess we'll see. They certainly need to get some automation going, because if they're 15 days behind, I understand being 1 or 2 days, maybe 3, 4. 15's too much. They need to get some automation. It's not that hard. Not that hard. Let's do it. So we're going to do that giveaway probably somewhere around the top of the hour. So what we might do here, we'll see. We might DCA. Yeah, we're going to move our stop below the VWAP. I'm sure the VWAP has probably moved up a bit. Where's the VWAP at? Somebody let me know. No, I haven't gotten a approval yet, so I'm still waiting. $276. All right. So I'm going to leave my stop just below the VWAP. And maybe if it pulls back, we'll DCA in at the VWAP. Kind of got triple equal lows down here anyway, 272s. We'll add back some of our size, but ultimately looking for it to go through the 233s. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. ES is currently at 793, where I have a fake VWAP at. I don't know if it's real. I don't know where it is on the ES. I have no idea. The fake VWAP. Oh. Did somebody really unsubscribe? Did you subscribe just to get in and then unsubscribe? Rude. Need only to request the payout. Guess what happened? I ended the day minus 400. Okay, wait. Zach, so let me understand. So you entered the day at 1300, or you got to 1300 today and then lost it? Because very important. Very important to understand what happened there. 57.89. All right, close enough. What up, Dodgy? Dodgy's DD, the man, the myth, the legend, in the house. Celebrity Dodgy. You was already at 1300. All right, so you can request payout still, Zach, if you want to. Yeah, it is, man. Straight up, it's crazy. Because the way Fast Track works, you still need one more trading day. So just trade tomorrow. You can flip tomorrow if you want to and still request what you have in your account. Now, that's up to you. So you can just flip tomorrow and request $900 if you want to, because the way they work, once you're over the threshold, you're over it. Even if you move back below it, it doesn't matter. You can still take the money out. It's up to you. The Ligma? I don't know. Some strategy, apparently he's teaching Patrick Wieland. Or so I'm seeing on Twitter. Hey, Dodgy, do you really think Patrick's using inversions, or do you think he's trolling when he does that? The ball strat. I don't know whether to believe it or not. I haven't been watching Patrick's. I don't really know. But almost seems like maybe he's trolling a little bit. I don't know, though. The troll, Patrick Whelan. What up, France? Exclamation point cash in the chat there if you want to join the giveaway, guys. We're giving away 150K Take Profit Trader account. It was given to me for free. Well, I know he posted on Twitter that he took an IFVG from earlier today. I don't know whether he actually took it or not, though. I'm not sure. Maybe he did. Do-do-do-do. Thanks, Stock Tiger. Oh, I'm doing good, France. No, we're long, France. We're long, looking for 333s up there. Look for the breakout to the 333s. We'll see if we get it. Can you have it? Well, France, enter the giveaway. Exclamation point cash. Maybe you'll win. There's only 42 tickets given out right now, so we got 97 people watching, only 42 tickets. So 50 people don't care to have the the account. That's completely okay. I don't care. Canadian's Futures Trader video on prop firms is hilarious. I have to look and see. Yeah, the bonds traders. Yeah. Blazo versus France in a boxing match for the account. What's up, Robert? Oh. Boxing match. The winner takes on PW. Got about 2-3 minutes here left in the giveaway, guys. We're going to give it away top of the hour here. Don't wait till the last minute to jump in, so we're going to close it. What up, Enlo One? How you doing today? Yeah, it's a pretty good day. We have, I live in Georgia. Dodgy's in Florida now. He's probably not in here anymore. I was going to ask him how's the weather down there. I don't even know what part he moved to. He did move to Florida, though. I know that. But we got some weather here, some rain. It's not really from the hurricane yet. I think tomorrow night we probably get the hurricane weather. But we had a storm today. Helene Blazo, you're in Jacksonville, Blazo? Yeah, I love Best Bet. It's one of my favorite places. I won a $500 ticket into the knockout tournament at. They're having a, what is it called, a mystery bounty tournament at Harris Cherokee this weekend. St. Augustine, yep. So I'm gonna go. I'll be back up at Harrah's in Cherokee this weekend. I haven't decided which flight I'm going to play yet. So yesterday your balance was 26,314. Now it's 25,913. Yeah, you can, Zach. Yeah, as long as your balance has been over the 26,250, then it can dip back below it, and you can still request a payout. So I want a free ticket, $500 tournament buy-in. And it's a mystery bounty, so every time you knock somebody out, you get to pull from an envelope. Prizes range between $100 to $5,000. So we'll see if we can't make day 2, which is making the money. They pay the top 10%. Then maybe we can at least knock a couple of people out and have a chance at some free money. We'll see. Hitting the tables, yeah. We went there last weekend. I won the ticket by I hit quad kings on the flop. I flopped quad kings. It's so funny because the first two cards that hit the table were kings, and I had pocket kings. I was like, let's go. The thing is, I only won like $30 in that hand. So no, it didn't restart. I just extended it for a minute. So a couple more minutes here, and then we're going to pull the name for the winner. Right now we got 49 entrances. That's it. 49 entrants, 95 people watching. We'll do it in just a minute. You give a couple more minutes for people to get in there if they're going to. The odds are high, 1 in 50 basically. It's not bad. It's not bad odds. May the odds forever be in your favor. Pizza. Oh. See, there's Andy. Andy, how did you do on the last account? I forgot to ask you. Did we pop it? Are we still trading it? What happened? Pasha says today that trading will be dangerous. Sergio. Hey, there's nothing wrong with getting some sleep, man. It's definitely slow and boring. I don't blame you. Slow and boring. I got to update my Quantimer, but I'm a little scared to. Still trading it. Let's go. Got to get that thing passed. Full send? All right, let's go. What up, Timbo? Get in this giveaway. Exclamation point cash. Giving away 150K Take Profit Trader account in exactly 2 minutes. I'm going to give it away. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Yeah, Zach, it did, but it's just consolidating here. I'm not worried. I think that, we can still get this push. Maybe in like the next 7-8 minutes. That's about how long I'm going to give it, to be honest. Bull rush on gold, ES, crude, and euro. Yeah. You got 1 minute, 53 seconds, so we're going to close the entries. Closing them. You're in like Flynn. Let's go. Perfect. We're only 31 subscribers away from that elusive 5,700. The elusive 5,700. Zabak, how's the weather down there? Zabak, aren't you in like Miami or somewhere? Where are you at? Thank you, Belazo. Appreciate it. Chill. Yeah, it's not really. I mean, what is it? Gonna be like tomorrow night or something? And it'll be hitting landfall. Probably miss you. Oh, you're in Austin. Never mind. Why do I think you were in Miami? I thought you were in Florida somewhere. Full disclosure, guys, Topstep did end up paying the affiliate money. We never received any communication from them, but the money just hit the bank. So we did get last month's Topstep. Too many snakes and gators. Well, I mean, it's one of those. You don't bother them, they don't bother you situations, right? I mean, if you see a gator, don't go tap it on the tail. Don't go try to sit on it. Just stay out of its way. So they did finally pay, though, so that's good. All right, less than a minute, 15 seconds. Bowl till you fall. All right, we're going to close at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She's closed. The winner is... Oh my God. How is that possible? Andy. Andy won the last account. Wow. Andy is just a luck box these days. I hope he's getting the same kind of luck on his trading. Oh. Andy said, I am here. All right. Well, Andy won, so I don't need you to send me an email, Andy. I already have all your information, so I'll just use that again. Send that over to you. Andy's won back-to-back 150Ks here. So he won last month's 150K, and he won this month's. Let's go. I'm going to have to unmod Andy so it doesn't look... yeah, I still have your info. I'm going to have to unmod him so it doesn't look, fishy. So it doesn't look fishy. Guys, look right here. That's what it says. You see TCG Andy right there. He won. Prize assigned. Just for a little salt in the wound, let's see who would have been next. Banger. Sorry, you don't win anything. You were second luckiest tonight. If I did a pizza, he would have failed. Yeah, probably. You're at 14 paid accounts and you're at payout. Let's go. Oh, nice job. It's always rigged. I always like when an OG wins, though. Someone who's been around for a while. So, not that I don't like the new people. Just saying. We like the new people, too. Nothing wrong with that. Andy is a notorious mini or a micro trader, and he loves to short. That is his favorite position, is to short. He shorts it all. Yeah, Banger, almost. Almost, Banger. No, you didn't win it. I was just pouring salt in the wound, see who would have won the next one if I had picked more than one winner. We were just pouring salt in the good old wound. TC, we got to do it when Andy's not. I tried to do it when Andy's not here, you know. No, I'm just kidding. All right, I'm going to give this trade about 5 more minutes, and if we don't start to push up, then I may exit the trade. Bots are doing well. Let's go. I mean, I personally, I don't know. I don't love the bots, but if they work for you, that's all that matters, you know? Oh. Kind of grinded up to that 316, 315 area and just kind of pulled back. Yeah, I was using the bot for the opening range trade, but then Ratlord stopped. He stopped with the bots, so I felt like I was bugging him every time I had to ask him for a new, because I had to have like an activation key or whatever. So I didn't want to keep asking him for it. I felt bad. All right, this trade has about 2 more minutes. I'm going to wait till like the 9:10, 9:11 candle. We'll see what happens, see if we start to push or not. We're really just chopping around here. Yeah, visible. You know, I don't know a lot about what's going on with the situation, but you know, he's got some things going on in his life, so I've reached out to him a couple times and, you know, was like, yo, man, we miss you being on stream and stuff. But I don't think at this point he has really any plans on coming back to YouTube. So, which is sad. I mean, I wish, you know, I think that he was doing pretty well. So. And that's kind of the reaction I wanted to see here in order for me to stay in this trade. Let's get this going higher. We need it to go now. Go, 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 go. Yes, Zach. Always inversion. Always inversion. And this is what I wanted to see here. 10 of your PAs will pass with Skyfire. Let's go. Nice job. Yeah, I always look for the inversion at the, you know, that first hour, hour and a half, 2 hours of the day on my fundeds and then put them away. I copy trade every one of them. I try to just take 1 trade per day. So, all right. So back, when we get back above the 315s here, at that point, I'm going to move my stop to break even because I want to see some expansion above that area. If we can get it. Rich. I mean, it was like a 60% win rate, but I had a 1 to 2 risk to reward, which makes 60% pretty solid. I was only risking 5 points, so I was risking $200 per trade, and you know, I liked it. I would use it on my Bulenox accounts because they don't mind the bot. But you know, it was kind of a fun thing. You know, it was just a fun thing. It was a bot that was created by Ratlord. He's no longer offering the bots. He was selling them, so I was kind of just giving him a little advertisement there by using it. But he's no longer in the bot business. And that one, it just had a strategy that I inputted. I had him input into the bot, so it wasn't actually like a strategy that he created or anything. It was just one, like, I gave him some parameters and he created the bot based around those parameters. So, but Oracle has a really good bot. If you guys don't know who Trader Oracle is, he has a YouTube channel and he gives away, his stuff's all free. It's all free. Kind of building up a little low resistance liquidity down here. This thing might want to come back down and run that. I'm not willing to let this go back that red. I'm going to leave my stop right here because if this gap doesn't hold, then we probably just move lower. This might be kind of like a failed pivot, lower high, to move back lower here. So I'm going to put my stop right there, and if it runs it, it runs it. I feel like it might get hit. So Blazo, why were you short, man? Come on, what's wrong with you? Just kidding. You passed 2 Bulenox 50K with Nebula Cloud while I slept. Yeah, that went a little too far if you made 6K. Don't see a whole lot of buyers stepping back in right here. Not a lot of sellers either, though. Oh, let's go. Well, you made some money on it then. Gold's doing it. All right, what's Gold's thing again? I don't even know. GC? I don't even know. What is it? CL? No, that's oil. GC, maybe? Yeah, it's pushing up. And stopped out. Man, gold took off this afternoon, huh? Around 1 o'clock. Let me throw a fib on the gold here. Just curious. Yeah, so gold basically pulled right back to that golden zone, OTE, and has bounced out of there. Up 6 points off that level. Yeah, now this could sell down. I mean, we could kind of, you might get a little pull. You might get a pull back into this area. It wouldn't be like, kind of outside the question, right? Would still be healthy. Yeah, I tend to agree there, Blazo, especially if you lose the 90 area. So if we make it below this level here, if you can kind of get something like that, then maybe it wants to go back up. We'll see. But if we can hold that 90 area, then we maybe continue up from there. But if we lose the 90 area, then I think we might see a little elevator down, maybe into the 70s. Depending. Do the free take profit accounts have an activation fee? Yes, they do. It's whatever they are running at the current promotion. So if they're running an activation fee currently, then you have to pay the activation fee if you pass. Unfortunately. I wish they did, but they do. Yeah, I think DCA during these hours probably would be a little more sustainable. Curious to see what happens here at the 90. Does it hold? Do we lose it? Oh, I took that line off my chart because I was like, I forgot what it was, and now I remember it's VWAP. I don't know. I don't like the pushback into 305. To me, I want to see this hold kind of below 300 now. And like I said, you want to see below 90, you want to see this thing give a nice little push down, maybe mid low 80s, little push back up, and then go. You know, that's kind of the reversal pattern that we look for, you know, every day. Rich is short. Good luck, sir. I'm not in it just because I'm still bullish ultimately, but like, you know, I'm not completely unreasonable, and you know, the market does tend to work in waves. So I mean, you could fib this range from several different places. I tend to probably just do it from the open. You know, so kind of like, let's drag that to where it's supposed to be. So yeah, you can see how this gap, the lower half of this gap, lines up with OTE. So like, you know, we'll see. I don't know that we may get back to this gap, to be honest. I think that, you know, it's reasonable to get a bounce in this consolidation area here if we can kind of pull back to the upper 80s here. Let's go, Blazo. Nice job. Lavi, I've been doing it all week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at this point. So, trying to make it a thing when I have time. Nice job, Blazo. Let's go. Maxie came over for a little pet. So, say hello to the people. He's all into what's on my chart, on my screens today. Did you guys see him looking up like that? He was looking up like, oh, I see something. Hello. My name is Max. I am the one who makes all the financial decisions around here. It is not my dad. I am the one who does it. I carry the wallet around here. If Apex ever asks me for a video, then I'm going to sit Max on my lap and have him press on the mouse. Bob, I never really got terrible feels on Topstep X. I mean, like, so what would happen sometimes is like the candle wouldn't make it to your stop. It would be like a tick or two away and you get stopped out anyway. That could just be because of the spread or a little data latency. I don't really know. But the candle would never make it there. Now, you would also have that happen on like on your take profits as well. Like, so it wouldn't quite make it there, but you would get filled anyway. So oh, you had that happen to you, Blazo? I don't know. I never experienced it that much, but I don't know. You know, I didn't use Topstep X all that much. See, as long as I pet Max, he'll sit right here. As soon as I stop petting him, he'll be like, "Put me down." Usually he's ready to get down before this, so tonight he's just kind of chilling. It might be because I haven't sat with him at all today. Normally we sat together for a couple hours in the evening. All right, Max, you got your 15 seconds of fame. Yeah, Jay. That's what you always hear, trust me. The good old bark. I mean, this is a cheap trade here. It's not really going to be for very much, but I may try this here. It'll be kind of the... I don't know. Yeah, Bob, I think they'll be just fine. They just need to get a little bit, you know, you can't say some of the things that the CEO has said there. So you just can't. Give Max a treat. Yeah, unfortunately, Max doesn't, he's unable to get treats. He said he appreciates it, but he's unable to get treats. He has really bad allergies. He has to take medicine for it. So, can't give him treats. Unfortunately, can't give him any treats. He is not able to live the proper doggy lifestyle of the treats. I'm going to try a little short here. I like that wick above. In this fair value gap, we kind of wicked above there. Ran those highs. I'm not going to give it like a ton of room. I'm going to go ahead and throw our stop in just like right here. You know, what is that, like 6 points? Not even 6. So cheap enough. We'll give it the try, the old college try. All right, Zach, appreciate you. I'm probably headed in that direction in a few moments myself as well. So the idea is if we can make it back down here to these triple equal lows at 92, then I'm going to move my stop to break even at that point and try to see if we can get a little runner going. We'll see. That's the idea. Something like that. Yeah, we don't really know Blazo. And good confirmation on this would be a 1 minute close below the 95. That would be really good confirmation, but so far holding there. I mean, even if I lose this trade, I'll still be basically break even on the day. So, you know, like I said, good confirmation is the 1 minute closing below 95. That would be good confirmation. Close below 95, we should at least visit the 292s, which sounds crazy. It's not very far. Or we're fighting for 5 points. There's the close below. We're like 2 ticks away. Come on, really? All right. Break even. Want to see a little more expansion here. 90 is a key area that we just talked about. All right, I'm taking it off there because where it looks like we're kind of souping this area where we might pop back up. I wanted to get through 90 and really push lower. And it just didn't get that there, and I'm not willing to let that come back on me. And there could be VWAP there. I don't even know where VWAP is. I have no idea. Don't even know where the VWAP is. But you can see, that's why 90's key there. I liked how we were pushing below there, but I'm not willing to let that kind of push back up on me. Da-da! 280 is VWAP. All right, so we came close. Like I said, I'm still bullish, but this does look kind of like a reversal pattern to some degree. Maybe this area down here makes sense. All right, guys, I'm going to kill it there tonight. I know I'm not going as long, but it's been an hour and 46 minutes. I'm very tired, so we're going to go ahead and call it. Want to be sharp tomorrow. If you guys want to support the channel, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We will be live tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. We still got all the discount codes there. We got the fast track link in the description, also in the chat there for the $80 accounts, direct to funded. The link to Tradeify, Bulenox, APEX, Take Profit Trader, so on and so forth. I'm sure I'm missing somebody. But we'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate you guys joining us for the night. We are up $45, nothing crazy. We switched off of minis tonight, made better decisions, and only made $45, but at the end of the day, you know, that's what it's about, right? Appreciate you, Gus. Thank you, Andy. Blazo, Jay. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.